Shreesh, what Mama got for you today? You wanna see? Do we have a new package? Okay. You wanna come and sit down here? You wanna see what is in the package? You wanna open for Mommy? Mommy open? Okay, sit there. Mama gonna open for you. Wait. Mama open for you. Did you like it? Okay, can we open more? Yes. What is this? This is a buckle toy, buckle board. Oh, it's a PC board. So you're gonna be busy playing with it. Let me open for you. Are you excited? Did you say Mommy thank you? You wanna pull it out for me from a bag? So you have a buckle board. It has a yellow, orange, red, blue, a lace. This board is good for kids 3+. And Shreesh, how old are you? Are you 2 years old? You wanna give me high five? Give me high five. Can you please look here? You wanna say hi? Hi, my name is Shreesh and I am giving the review for buckle toy because I love to play with buckles. So you have this board that teaches you to strengthen your skills, promote problem solving. If you have a problem, you solve it like how Shreesh does it. You want to push that buckle and click it in. Good job. You want to put it back together. So you open like this. Yellow buckle. Open. Then you open like this. Orange buckle. Open like this. Red buckle. And open like this. Blue buckle. Then open this way. You have something in? No. This is the lace. And this is the zipper. You like this busy board? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Look here. Shreesh. You like the board? Okay, you push it. You know that, right? You put in there. Push. Push. You wanna try again? Push. So, you wanna say bye-bye? Shreesh? Shreesh, look here. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.